Hello guys, today I want to recommend you the pump station with smart control. You can see it includes the tube Germany vacuum pump, 5.5 kilowatts with TLF 2.250. The advantage of the pump station. The first advantage, it can automatically start the pump according to the working time. For example, this is the pump A and this is the pump B. If last time you use the pump A first, then next time when you use the pump station, it will automatically start the B first. And the second advantage is it can start one or both two pumps according to the assumption you need. So it will save the energy and increase the working time for the both pumps.